Hi, my name's Jennifer and welcome to Natural Home with Jennifer. I am a blogger for the Daily Connoisseur and our family recently switched to all natural cleaning products. So I love to review them on this series because I found some amazing ones that will hopefully cut the confusion for you when you are looking for all natural products. I have a moment while the baby's sleeping and my older daughters are being entertained, so I am just shooting a few reviews at a time, which is why you see me in the same setting as some of the past videos. But in today's review, I am reviewing quite possibly my most favorite natural product ever. I'm not exaggerating. It is the Method Squirt and Mop Wood Floor Cleaner in the almond scent. Love this product so much, so much. I've used all sorts of things for my hardwood floors. I found a spray on Amazon that I liked, but I wasn't totally in love with it, but I did like it. And it wasn't natural, okay? So there was that. And I just have, my kids are always on the floor and everything. So I thought, you know, I really do need to switch to a natural floor cleaner, right? In the past, I have also used Bona. And I think, is Bona natural? I actually don't know. It could be, I'm not sure. But it required the mop to go with it. And anyway, the mop kept breaking. So I stopped using that. I have used my own vinegar water solution, which was good, but when tested, it didn't really get the dirt off. So my mom noticed that actually. She was over at my house and she noticed that the bottom of one of my kids' feet was just dirty from walking around barefoot. And I had just cleaned the floor and it was coming from the floor. So the vinegar water cleaner was not working on the floor. I've used Pine Sol as well, which does get the floor clean, but then you're inhaling all those chemicals. So I don't want to badmouth any of those other products, but ever since I read that study on how detrimental certain cleaning products can be for your health, I decided to go all natural. So anyway, I decided to use this. Now I will tell you, yes, this cleans the floors and yes, it polishes the floors and that's amazing. But the best part about this is the scent. If you like the scent of almonds, you will love this cleaner, and I love the scent of almonds. It's one of my favorite scents. I love it. And it smells so natural. It doesn't smell artificial at all because it's not artificial. So it's just a unique design. So here's the bottle, and all you do is pull this up and you literally just squirt it on the floor. You don't need to mix it with water or dilute it. You don't need to do anything. It's so easy and you just squirt it. It doesn't require a lot. And then I used my mop. I reviewed this mop before. I got it on Amazon. It has a microfiber, you know, mop head, I guess you could call it. And I like it because it's so big and it takes up a lot of floor space and I don't have to work as hard. So I love this mop. I will link it below as well. This Method cleaner is so amazing. It's surface safe, it's non-toxic, it's plant-based, and the almond scent is absolutely heavenly. I love it. They also sell refills of this, so you don't need to buy a new bottle every time you buy it. Grove Collaborative has the refill, so you could just do that, which I will absolutely get next time I order from them. So I'll just read to you from the back. It says, "Your woods never had it so good. We used to reserve our floor cleaning for very special occasions like Limbo Night or the Queen's Visit." But this non-toxic and biodegradable no-wax wood floor cleaner turns a chore into an almond-scented delight. That is so true. Formulated for sealed hardwood and laminate floors, okay? So it says to use, you squirt a thin layer on the floor and wipe with a cloth or a mop. There's no need to dilute or rinse. We try to make things very easy. So anyway, as you can see, I am mopping my floor at night here and it shines the wood beautifully. It shines it, it polishes it, it gets the dirt off because the mop is dirty after I do this, and it smells so good. So I cannot recommend this product enough. I get all of my natural cleaning products on Grove Collaborative. I will leave a link below along with the offer for a free gift for people who sign up. And I believe if you are already signed up, you also get a little something too. So click on the link below and check out their products. They have the most amazing all natural products. So I can highly recommend this floor cleaner. I also want to get the wood polish from them because it's in the same scent and I know it's going to be amazing. So I look forward to that so I could dust our wooden surfaces with it. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any requests for natural cleaning products, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Daily Connoisseur, and I will see you soon. Bye.